Hi, this is Captain from FascinatingCaptain.com, and in the second video in this video series on how to build a custom computer, let's plan the build in 5 stages. Identifying what you need your computer to do is the first step in building a custom PC. It sounds obvious but should stop you from buying unsuitable components. Think about it, is your computer for gaming, office work, web surfing, or all of the above? Deciding this first will help you narrow down the right components for you. Technology's changed so much in the computing world. Arming yourself with enough know-how will save you time and money. Whether you're a first-time or an experienced builder, take some time to learn about the components inside a PC. It will help you avoid the hype and pick parts based on your needs. Everyone wants the latest and greatest tech, but there's one problem: money. Once you've found out what sort of components you'll need and why, you'll be able to set a realistic budget. The way to stick to the budget is to find components that are in the good, better and best range. I used online shopping carts to add a bunch of stuff to slowly narrow down my search. Choosing similar products in several price ranges will allow you to figure out where you can spend more money and where you can spend less. Recycling working parts from old computers or laptops is a great way to either save money or to be able to spend more on better components. Hard drives, power supplies and optical drives are the obvious choices. It's amazing that some people are willing to spend hundreds on top-end computer parts but decide not to spend money on an anti-static kit. Electronics love static as much as Superman loves kryptonite. The two just don't go together. Do yourself a favor and use an anti-static kit to avoid damaging your components. If you found this video useful, you can learn more at FascinatingCaptain.com. This is Captain and I hope to see you in the next video.